Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This is our just expired catalog, and in this catalog was this really cute scrapbook layout called Candid Moments. And in an attempt to be getting things done, even though I probably should have done this a month or so ago, I am going to work on this layout. I thought these were so cute, and I am just going to attempt to put them together as it is. I will probably break this up into 3 different videos. So I am actually starting with the last layout, and I will work my way forward. I'm going to start working on this last page, and these were the instructions that came with the catalog, or with the layout, with the workshop. It talks about doing some swiping. So this is kind of cut above style, which is great because there's no stamping. If stamping's not your thing, then this kind of a kit is for you. And this is the little bag that I store these little foam pads. I have one for each color. And I just store them in these bags, and I have it labeled so I know which one it is. I have them in this little case here so you can see. That's where I store them. It works pretty well for me. It says to take some papaya ink, and you can mask off and then get a good rubbing of it. And you're just kind of swiping across. And by masking off, you'll get a two-tone look. Just like that. Pretty cool. And you want to be careful, because if you catch the paper wrong, you'll bend it up, which wouldn't be the end of the world, but it might make you a little sad. Okay. Isn't that fun? It's a quick, easy way to add a little dimension to some words.